Welcome back to the big debate. Today's topic is why do people snore?
Snoring, a very deep subject.
Yeah, deep like my uncle's nose holes.
Let me tell you the truth. Snoring is music.
Music?
Yes, when you sleep, your nose becomes a trumpet.
A trumpet? Then my dad is a whole blast band.
Exactly. Some people play saxophone snores, others play drum snores.
And my grandmother?
Oh, she plays the bagpipes. Very rare talent.
Smarty, bagpipes are not talent. That's a war crime. But Smarty, why do some people snore louder than others?
It depends on how big the dreams are, chiko.
Dreams?
Yes, big dream, big snore, small dream, small snore.
Aha! So when I hear my uncle shaking the roof, it means he's dreaming of becoming president.
Exactly. By morning, he's the president of mosquitoes.
But Smarty, snoring can be dangerous. My aunt once shook the whole bed.
That's not snoring. That's an earthquake.
Smarty, the village almost called the army.
Yes, because snoring is also a security alarm.
Alarm?
Of course, when thieves hear it, they think, "Ash, this house has a lion."
Smarty, do animals snore too?
Yes, hippos snore underwater.
Underwater?
Yes, that's why rivers bubble at night.
Yeah. Smarty, that's not hippos. That's frogs.
Frogs? Nonsense. Frogs are the backup singers.
Smarty, but why don't you snore?
Because geniuses sleep silently.
No, Smarty. Don't snore because even your nose refuses to work hard.
Lies. My nose is in retirement. It has already saved enough.
So people snore because they're playing music, chasing big dreams, or scaling thieves.
Exactly. And if your partner snores, don't complain. Record it, set it as a ringtone.
See, Smarty, that's why people snore because they're secretly pigs.
Think in rhythm. Big difference.
Then why did you sound like a lawnmower last night?
That wasn't snoring. It was practicing my chainsaw impression.
Then cut me a tree, Mr. Chainsaw. Anyway, the real reason people snore is because their noses get lazy at night.
Yes, instead of breathing quietly, they hire the throat to do the job and the throat complains, snore, snore, snore.
Grumbling like a grumpy old man.
Exactly. Back in my day, we breathed uphill both ways. Packing my bags quickly, fabric. Turn off background music. I'm trying to snore. Air can't move smoothly like traffic jam in your nose. No, so it's rush hour in your face? Something. Hmm. Beep, beep, beep. Make way, big nose coming through. This way, tongue was like, make some space.